My sister walks like a turtle. What does this sentence mean? In this sentence, why does the speaker have to compare his sister to a turtle? Does his sister literally look like a turtle? What is common characteristic of a turtle that may be the same with his sister? Now let us go back to the first question. Why does the speaker have to compare his sister to a turtle? Maybe because they both have the same characteristic that is very common and obvious to a turtle and to his sister. In the second question, does his sister literally look like a turtle? Of course not. And what is common characteristic of a turtle that may be the same with his sister? Turtle walks so slowly just like his sister.
Say what?
In the given sentence, there is an indirect comparison between two different identities but with common characteristics. Sister is a human and turtle is an animal. But according to the sentence, sister is like a turtle. So it means that sister and turtle both walk so slowly. Actually, the sentence makes us think first before we get what it means, right? It also gives humor because sister is being compared with a turtle. Can you imagine that? The speaker lets the listeners think, imagine, and figure out the meaning of his message, right? So, if the speakers indirectly compare two different identities for humor, for emphasis, and for the listeners to think, imagine, and figure out the message, therefore, it is simile.
Wow!
So, what is simile? It is a figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of a different kind to make the description more emphatic or vivid.
Aww.
Simile is often used the word like or as plus adjective or adverb plus as for indirect comparison. Here are some examples of simile using like. She looks like an angel. She is being compared with an angel, which means that maybe she is so nice and so kind. My mom is like a monster when she is mad. My mom is being compared with a monster because she is so scary when she is mad. You are so tall like a giraffe. You are being compared with a giraffe for being so tall. I always brush my teeth, that's why they are like pearls. Teeth are being compared with the pearls for being so white like pearls. Amazing! He runs like a cheetah. He is being compared with cheetah for running so fast. Now here are some examples of simile using as plus adjective or adverb plus as. She is as beautiful as an angel. My mom is as scary as a monster when she is mad. You are as tall as a giraffe. I always brush my teeth, that's why they are as white as pearls. Amazing! He runs as fast as a cheetah. Remember that simile is used for indirect comparison of two different kinds by using like or as plus adjective or adverb plus as. If simile indirectly compares, then how do we do the direct comparison? Let's find out.
Say what?
In indirect comparison, the sentence is, she looks like an angel. The direct comparison, the sentence is, she is an angel. Try to compare the two sentences. Next, for indirect comparison, our sentence is, you are as tall as a giraffe. If we're going to change this into direct comparison, then the sentence is, you are a giraffe. Now, how do we know if it is indirect comparison or direct comparison? In indirect comparison, it usually uses like or as plus adjective or adverb plus as. The direct comparison, do you think they also use these words? Of course not. Now remember that direct comparison directly transfers qualities from one noun to another noun. So if this is the case, it is called metaphor. Metaphor is a figurative language used for direct comparison of two different things. It doesn't use the word like or as plus adjective or adverbs plus as. Now let us try to analyze the difference and similarity of simile and metaphor. Now these two are both used for comparing two different kinds, but in simile, it is used for indirect comparison. That's why it uses the word like or as plus adjective or adverb plus as in the sentence. Unlike in metaphor, it is used for direct comparison. So now at this time, let us try to identify these sentences if they are simile or metaphor. So for the first sentence, shark's teeth are daggers. Is it simile or metaphor? Good, it's metaphor. Second sentence, Romy is the clown of the class. Is it simile or metaphor? Correct, it's metaphor. Number 3, the frontliners are as brave as lions. Is it simile or metaphor? Good, it is simile. Number 4, we remained busy all day long and slept like a log after. Is it simile or metaphor? Correct, it's simile. Number 5, we were as happy as dogs with tails when father arrived. Is it simile or metaphor? Good, it's simile. Number 6, my boss fired the snake. Is it simile or metaphor? Alright, it's metaphor. Number 7, my sister's eyes are diamonds. Is it simile or metaphor? Good, it's metaphor. Number 8, The king has a heart of stone. Is it simile or metaphor? Good, it's metaphor. Number 9. My child is as busy as a bee in his project. Is it simile or metaphor? Good, it's simile. And number 10. He is funny like a monkey. Is it simile or metaphor? Good job, it's simile. Just to simplify our discussion about figures of speech, remember that simile is used for indirect comparison, and while metaphor is used for direct comparison.
Wow!
And that's all for today. I hope you learned and enjoyed our discussion for today's lesson. Though it's sad to say goodbye for a while, for sure we will meet again for more videos and learnings to watch on my channel. So for now, thank you so much and God bless us all. So once again, this is Teacher Calai saying goodbye.